Thanks so much for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam Network. We've become quite cloudy here in Fargo. We did see some sun throughout the day today. It is 9 right now, feels more like -3 with winds out of the south and southeast at 8. It is also 9 in Moorhead. 5 now up in Langdon and in Grand Forks, 4 in Thief River Falls, 16 in Bemidji, 10 in Wadena, as well as in the Wahpeton area, Sisseton, and in Winter. Winds generally out of the south and southeast, 5 to 10, at times 15 miles per hour. And they'll continue generally out of the south tonight, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the combination of some chilly temperatures and those winds, despite them being light, giving us some wind chills below zero, as cold as 9 below up in Hallock, -8 in Grand Forks, also -8 up into the Devil's Lake area. Clouds, we've got them out there, partly to mostly cloudy skies. They'll stay with us as we head through the overnight hours and through most of the day on Friday. On the radar, we have seen a few blips on the radar in the form of a few flurries, and most of us are going to stay dry, but don't be surprised to see maybe an isolated flake or two as we head through the next several hours. Other than that, the northern plains, they're quiet off towards the west. A lot of unsettled weather out there, and some of this energy is going to help form a low pressure system over Colorado, and that will approach us just to the southeast of us as we head through Saturday into Saturday night and Sunday. That's going to give us quite a bit of snow and some wind. Travel is going to become very difficult. We'll show you that in a minute on our forecast. Right now, the hour-by-hour forecast overnight tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies with some southerly breezes and quite a bit of cloudiness. Temperature's not going to drop too far. This morning in Fargo, 17 below. Tomorrow morning, we're going to stay in the single digits above zero. 5 to 10 degrees for our morning lows, and wind chills around 0 to -10 in most locations. Tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Southerly winds continue, and those clouds get thicker as we head into tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Now, jumping ahead, we've seen a ton of snow this winter, and we're going to see a ton of snow as we head through the weekend. Here it comes. It's going to chug its way on in by Saturday morning, snowing across parts of the southern valley. And we're going to continue to see that chug its way on off toward the east and northeast. Moderate to heavy snow, a good bet across about the southern 2/3 of the area. Quite a bit of wind, especially late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. And because of the possibility of all that snow, winter storm watch in effect for about the southern 2/3 of the area. In these areas, a half a foot or more of snow is a good possibility. Some areas could see 8 to 10 and maybe even isolated amounts up to a foot of snow. This track could still change a bit, so keep it tuned to the latest forecast, especially if you've got some travel plans. 5 tomorrow morning here in Fargo, but by lunchtime, how about 20 degrees and into the mid-20s later on in the day with a southerly breeze making it feel just a touch cooler. Picture of the day, this bridge in the Grand Forks area. Thanks so much to David for sending this in. Going to use it as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Quiet Friday. And then very snowy Saturday and on into Sunday. To add insult to injury, we lose an hour of sleep as we head through the weekend. And then a quick break on Monday before what may be an even bigger storm system Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. At times, parts of the area may see some snow mixed with rain with that system, but that one looks a lot wetter, a lot stronger. So we'll continue to monitor both systems.
You're guilty.
Yeah, I think so. Guilty as charged.
Yeah.
Thanks, Robert.
You got it.